Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's today see some quick applications which would help you to setting up ringtones for your iPhone. Real easy without using your iTunes or using any other third-party softwares. It's very simple and easy to upload ringtones to your iPhone. Let's go open up Google and search for this name iRing. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Just download the free application and run the setup. Also go to the home page and download this application Walter. I'll tell you what this application does as well. It helps you to transfer video files to your iPhone in the native format, be it an AVI file or an MKV or an MP4 file. Without conversion, it directly uploads to your iPhone so that you don't lose any quality on the videos. So download this application as well. So now all you have to do is just connect your iPhone to your laptop and just open the iRing application. So I've just connected my iPhone to the MacBook. I'm opening up the application now. This helps you to transfer the files to your iPhone without use of any third-party softwares. You can customize the ringtones, you can add up special effects to the ringtones with this, and you can take any part of the song from the music which you are trying to copy into your application. You can open up the software and you can search for music and select the tone which you like and just take the option. You can preview them or you can just select them. Just go to the option as browse. If you have the audio files, you can also drop the audio files in here. Now I've just downloaded some ringtones with me. I'm just downloading them here and I'm just copying up a ringtone now. It will analyze the ringtone, it will give me some suggestions for the music. So you can choose any part of the tone, just drag them and customize them to whichever part you want. So once you have the ringtone ready, you can add up additional sounds to it. You can choose your sounds and export them. Just shows an option as push to your iPhone. Just click on that. It automatically copies the ringtone to your iPhone. As simple as that. Now if you open up your iPhone, go to your settings, take your sound and haptics. There, if you click on your general tones, there you'll be able to see your ringtone, and just scroll up, you'll be able to see the list of ringtones available in. That's the ringtone which I've added up now. You can search for more ringtones in the application. Just open the software and you can search for any tracks you prefer. It searches from Google automatically and it takes the audios from there as well. Or if you have your own tones, you can upload them as well. Say for example, you just look out for some tracks. Say for example, I take some track from Bryan Adams. It lists out tracks from Bryan Adams and I'll be able to add them. So if you have the track, you can automatically go to browse and upload your track from there. I'll look out for another track now. Let me add that track. You can customize the tone and like how we did in the previous edition. You can scroll up and you can choose up your duration. So by default, iPhone ringtones comes for about 30 seconds of time frame. So this automatically takes 20 seconds of time frame. You can add up your own tones to it and just you can push it directly to your iPhone. The next software which we have is like Walter, as we downloaded it already. Just search for Walter. This application is a cool one which helps you to transfer videos to your iPhone directly without any conversions. If you have any MPEG-4 files or AVI files, just connect to your phone and click on this plus symbol and just drag and drop your video files. I have some video files downloaded in their native format. I have them as MKV, AVI and MP4. So I just copy the MKV file, it automatically uploads the video, and copy the others as well. So this transfers the video files real fast into your phone, and it doesn't convert the video files. The videos automatically get stored into your videos app on your iPhone. Now that you have uploaded them, just go to your TV app in your iPhone. So in the TV app, you would be able to see these recent uploads. So these are the videos which you have downloaded. You can view them in the actual format. And you can see them in their exact quality without any loss of picture quality. That's the exact MKV file format. You can see it in full HD. The same is applicable for other videos as well. It plays all the formats. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Cheers.